I just wanted to do a quick video on how to set up the rails for these two-space APC UPSs. These screws you'll receive for the rail kit have a washer and a screw. You put two screws on the front side, leaving the top and bottom open because that's where the ears for the actual APC will have screws that pass through. And on the back side, you'll use three. And these need to be just tight enough so that the cone goes into the square and kind of self-centers. Doesn't need to be much tighter than that. Same thing for the other side. For the UPS itself, you'll install the ear kit. The small screws obviously go into the side of the unit. The large screws will be what mount the unit to the rail kit. I think that's about it. Definitely recommend having someone help you slide the thing in. They are crazy heavy. If you have to do it by yourself, remove the battery. It'll cut the unit weight in half, make things a lot easier. Good luck. Here's the ear kit mounted on the UPS. These little screws need to be like barely more than finger or hand height with a manual screwdriver. They're not holding much weight. If you look at the design of the rails, there's a shelf that the front half of the UPS sits on, and the back it has this bracket. You'll also use this bracket when you're sliding the unit into the rails to support the back of the unit as you're pushing it back. So these screws here really are just holding it from sliding forward and back. Not a lot of force being applied to them, so you don't have to go crazy.